Hello and welcome to Sunny Views. My name is Sunny, where I do reviews, how-tos, and point of views. Today, I got my new phone, which you see in the thumbnail. Here it is. Let's get this thing opened. Cut. Open this up. Ooh-wee. Save the knife away. Samsung, thank you invoice that I paid from you. Packaging. Honeycomb. Cardboard paper, tissue paper, small box. Anything else? Nope. Snatch that later. This is thin. This is very thin. This is cheap thin. Meaning, it's just a phone and a box. Now I'm sure this is probably not the first video you watch of this, so you already know what this comes with. But this one I got from Samsung Direct. Now the logo has this little reddish color, and that is because the phone that I ordered is the, oh that's nice, it's sleek, it's big, it's very big, is the don't look very red. That's nice. It doesn't look very red. Got something red to compare with? Here's some red scissors. Kid scissors, obviously. It's not very red. Not very red at all, actually. It's just one side, which is just the top. The cameras are beautiful at that point. As far as the manufacturing design of it is very sleek. But this color, though, I'm not gonna lie, it's not red. It's like a faded red. Like it was red last year, and then they washed it 27 times, and it became this red. I'll get used to it, of course. It's not the red that I expected. I expected, like a fire engine red. This is not the red that I was that shows on the website. It feels nice. Got your S Pen, same color, faded red. They should call it faded red. How about that one? I'm gonna send a review email to Samsung. Nice and smooth, clickety clickety clickety. I still like that. The OCD part of it. When you're sitting there through your day, you're gonna drive somebody nuts. Just start clickety clickety clickety. That's always fun. Plus them from a distance pictures. That was a main seller of the pen. Miss the pen. Love the pen. It's got a nice size. As far as what else is in here, that's it. Package, SIM tool, paperwork. How do you open this thing? Paperwork, USB-C to USB-C cord, the norm, no charging brick, the new norm. All right, at least it's got another cord we can add to the collection. SIM card tool, add that to everything else you got. I'm still not getting over this color. It feels smooth though, very premium, very nice, feels great. Let's see, what do I have to compare it with? I have my current phone, which is what I'll be swapping out with, which is the S22 Ultra. It's the S22 Ultra. Let me go ahead and turn this off so get the black screen comparison. Oh, come on. All right. S20 Ultra, let's get these things out your way. This little skinny cheap case over here, or box it comes in. Size, S20 Ultra size. It's the same. It's about the same. S20 Ultra is more curved versus the S22, which is more squared off. I like the squared off. I think it's a little bit wider. I'll put the specs on the screen or probably down in the description below. As far as the camera bumps and such, definitely loving the new S22 style of it. I like the individual circles versus just the big square part, which I always didn't like as far as like balance and such like that, because I got a lot of that action whenever I put it on the table. Even though I had a case on there, the Spy Gen speaking, whatever you call it, case, it still caused that problem. I also have the Note 8, which was the phone I had prior to this S22 Ultra. The last phone I had with a pen, which I enjoyed very much. The pen, I love the pen part. The Note 8, now, definitely, it's a little bit bigger as far as the frame's concerned, a little bit wider, just a small amount, just a very small amount. Would you notice it in your hand? Yes, you would notice it in your hand. The screen ratio is definitely something that you'll notice as well, because the Note 8, if you're coming from a Note 8, always has the chin and the forehead little action. The camera differences, I mean, this is what, 3-4 years older than this, and yeah. But like every phone, gotta get some protection, because I wasn't planning on leaving the house without Spigen, however you say them. Shoot me a sponsor. I appreciate not paying for these, but I'm gonna go ahead and slap this on here. So I got a clear case, reason being, and lens screen cleaning wipe. I'm not gonna use that now. We'll do that another time. Reason being is because I got a color, so if you slap a clear case on with the color still shows. That is a very nice setup. It's a very nice setup. Feels good, nice to the grip. It's got a little corner protection on there. It's a very pretty phone, but again, that red, it's not the red. I like it. It's a beautiful feeling phone. The case is great because it keeps the whole back of the phone is flush now. It's flush. I don't know if you can see it on camera. Maybe I'll punch in there. I'm trying to get my face out of it. But it feels good. It feels real premium. I like it. I look forward to using it and all the fun things that comes in there. The analytics and everything like that. You can go ahead and catch another channel for that. Or maybe I'll put some B-roll and put the comparisons of the phones. I'll leave a little space right here for them. Boom, boom. Note 8. Note 8, S22. No, Note 8, S20 Ultra. Note/S22 Ultra. Size comparison. It's a little bigger. Specs, I mean, new phones, new specs, it's just gonna be better. So if you plan on upgrading, I would definitely say the red from Samsung is not red. That's my main thing. I mean, the phone's beautiful. It's gonna do what it's gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and set myself up, get everything going with it. But I just want to do an unboxing to kind of show everyone what the red portion of it looks like, because I wanted something different and cool, and I got it directly through Samsung, so it's unlocked. You got to pay full face value for it. But again, if you're going to end up paying full face value for the phone over time anyway, if you can afford to do it, just get it outright. This way, when I travel, I can always slap a different SIM card in there. I have no problem using this wonderful phone with this wonderful camera. So I hope you liked what you've seen. I hope you can see the comparison of the two. I only have these 3 phones to compare it with. And thank you for watching. Please hit that like button. Subscribe, catch some future videos. If you got any comments or any info you'd like to add in there, slap it down there at the bottom. You want me to see me go over some other things? Also slap it down at the bottom. As always, thanks for clicking, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.